Modding Neverwinter Nights or Knights of the Old Republic. DLG files contain the branching dialogue trees that drive these epic RPG stories. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and create these BioWare dialogue files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your DLG, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. DLG files are dialogue tree files used by BioWare's Aurora Engine powering games like Neverwinter Nights and Knights of the Old Republic. They contain branching conversation structures with NPC dialogue lines, player response choices, condition scripts, action scripts, and dialogue. Flow logic for interactive RPG conversations. BioWare DLG dialogue files use the GFF Generic File Format, binary structure with specialized record types, for dialogue entry and reply notes. Each node contains text, string references, speaker tags, condition script names, action script triggers, animation commands, and branching link lists defining the conversation flow paths. Your application default for DLG should ideally be Neverwinter Nights toolset from BioWare. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. Go ahead and right-click your DLG file, then choose Open With. Try Neverwinter Nights toolset if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. The DLG file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, opening in dialogue. Editor. Open the DLG file in the Neverwinter Nights toolset, or use the community-developed DLG editor. The Aurora toolset displays the dialogue as a visual tree with NPC entries and player replies shown in an expandable hierarchy. Click nodes to view text conditions and actions associated with each dialogue step. Next, editing conversation trees. In the dialogue, editor add new NPC entry nodes and player reply options by right-clicking existing nodes and selecting Add. Configure condition scripts to control when specific dialogue options appear, based on game state variables. Assign action scripts to trigger events, quest updates or cutscenes when specific dialogue lines are reached. Finally, using community tools. For advanced editing, use Xorio's tools or the Coduar tool for Knights of the Old Republic DLG files. These community tools provide enhanced editing capabilities, including string reference management localization support and batch processing. Export dialogue text to spreadsheet format for writing review before re-importing into the DLG structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.